That didn't work. I don't know. What in the world? How did he do that?
Here. I think you have to get some of this string between. Yeah, straighten out them fingers.
Good morning. It's OJ here. It's coffee time, but then it's always coffee time, right? Always. I'm on my second cup. We've had a good year. This is New Year's Eve morning. As you can see, I'm in my PJs and just planning on a laze around kind of day. I'd like to thank all my supporters. We've been doing this since March, and I've got 510 subscribers, I think, right now, somewhere around there, and over 100 videos. And I think we're getting better at this. At least I hope so. We have a few laughs along the way. I think you'll like this one because I'm going to try something new on this one. So, as you people have been watching here, I've done how-to videos, I've done walking videos, I've done cooking videos, and my friend Jamie from Naughty Canuck, she can crochet, and she said, why don't you get OJ to crochet? Well, we're gonna, this might be worth the laugh, because I can wire a plug in, I can drywall a wall, I can mud it, I can put a roof on, I can build a house, but I'm not sure I can crochet. And I have John Boy here. He's crochets. He's quite good. He's quite entertaining too. I didn't do this. Deb did this, and this might be one of those situations where you can't teach an old dog new tricks. So you either go this way, or you go this way. I don't know. We'll find out here in a second, and it might be worth a laugh. Okay, let's turn John Boy on and see. And by the way, if you hear the snoring here, it's not Deb, it's the dogs here. So
Abby took over where Harley left off.
He goes, I don't know, around like that. That work? That didn't work. I don't know. What in the world? How did he do that?
Here. I think you have to get some of this string between. Yeah, straighten out them fingers. Put it in there so you can kind of hold on to it, and then you.
What do I do with it? He's got it like this. He's holding it like this.
You need to take that off and start again.
Holding it like this. You got it wrapped around like this.
You got too much, I think.
I don't know.
You unthreaded it from your fingers.
I think you better back that up because I can't. Watch it again.
Oh, the whole video is over already. Okay, let's back John Boy up here.
Way back there.
Okay.
Okay. He goes. Does he go over? I don't know. Slow down, John Boy.
It's the hook that you move, not the.
The hook.
It goes under.
Under like that?
Yeah, and then pull it through.
And pull it
loop.
Through there.
Not with your finger. You use
now what?
Oh my. Let's pause.
I think you make a better fire starter than anything.
What have you done? You've got it all.
I don't know.
Here, let's just pull a couple off here. I don't know what you've done.
I don't know what I've done either.
Get it threaded before you start. Thread it through your fingers here. Hook it between these fingers.
Alright, got her
hooked.
hooked.
And then around that one.
Around this one?
Yeah.
Around that one.
You got it way down there. Hold that there.
Hold my thumb here.
Okay, now watch what John Boy does.
I mean, he's got this thing way back here. He's using the smaller.
Well, definitely. You're using the fat stuff. Is he going too fast for you?
And
He goes over the front.
You go over like this?
He doesn't. No, you don't wind it around. You use the hook and you take the hook. Let's back up again because he's done again.
I think you can watch this thing 40 times.
Well, John Boy's getting lots of views out of this.
Lots of views out of this.
He probably has. Okay, try again.
Okay. Here we go. Well, as soon as he's done
You do the work with that, not with your hand.
So I'm going to go
You go in front. You need to pull this a little tighter. See, he's got his pulled nice.
Get as fast as you get that through there, right there. And then he goes like this again. I don't know. I don't know.
Let's have a closer look.
Let's have a closer look.
Try again. No, you're not supposed to wind it with your fingers. You hold the yarn a little tighter, and then you do the work with.
I don't know.
With
I've
the crochet hook.
I think I've got a knot.
Oh, way to go!
Knot from Naughty Canuck. I've got a knot.
Well, will you fix that? Maybe we'll just have a look here. See who's keeping you company here?
Yes.
There's Avalie. She's not interested at all. There's Raven. Raven. Hello, Raven.
How you yarn over is you go under from the left to the right of that yarn, and you're going to pull it toward the loop that you created, your slip knot.
My slip knot.
And you're going to make sure the crochet head.
Hey, I think I did it.
Crochet hook head is pointed downward.
But it keeps. I think because he's using it.
Most likely perfect insertion every time. Then you're just going to repeat that circle motion from left to right. Grab some yarn. That's a yarn.
Maybe I stick to walking videos and never mind.
Better apologize to John Boy.
Sorry, John Boy, but
Next chain.
we might have to work on this for hours.
We'll try this again sometime with practice.
With practice, we'll try this. Anyways, check out John Boy. He's a good teacher. I'm just not a very good student. And
we'll put a link in.
Remember, it's always coffee time. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us. Give us a thumbs up. And let me know what you think of my toque.
Sorry, I moved your camera.
Move the camera so you can't see my toque. That's fine.
No, I was trying to show your toque and I went the wrong way.
Oh, well.
Oh, lousy camera person.
Yeah, my camera person hasn't had enough coffee yet because I'm drinking it all.
Yeah.
And we're going to be trying a new editing program out in the new year. Always trying new things, new programs, new stuff. And we're going to try some more drone videos. We've had freezing rain here the last couple of days, so it's not really good for a walk. So we're just gonna skates. Yeah, we're going skates maybe. And I hope I'm keeping you all entertained.
Let's have a close look at that toque. Not your eyeballs. Oh my.
I think they turned out pretty good. They're just like coffee and cream. So I drink my coffee black.
And that's Regent Custom Cresting in Brandon, Manitoba.
Yep.
They do a great job.
Yep. It didn't take very long. And just wanted to say Happy New Year. And we'll see you next year. Bye for now. It is cold, slippery. Hope everybody has a safe and happy holiday. Happy New Year from OJ and Deb, Danica.